In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wedding invitations on Canva. First, open Canva and use the search bar to look for wedding invitation or simply invitation. This pulls up thousands of free and paid templates in classic, modern, rustic, floral, and minimalist styles. Hover over designs to preview them. And if you are working with a specific palette, look for templates that naturally fit your colors to save time. Choose a template that matches your wedding theme and vibe. Think about readability, the mood you want to set, and how much information you need to include. Most invitation templates are already sized for standard printing, which keeps things simple. When one stands out, click to open it. Now customize the text. Click on any text box to replace the placeholder copy with your details, like the couple's names, date, time, venue, and any brief reception note. Keep your hierarchy clear. Names most prominent, then the date. Then location. Adjust font sizes and spacing so everything is easy to read, and stick with 1 or 2 fonts for a clean look. Take a moment to proofread, small typos are easy to miss. Personalize the design using the Elements tab. Here you can add illustrations, shapes, lines, or decorative flourishes that match your theme. Think leaves, florals, or geometric accents. Update colors to align with your palette. If your template supports it, using Change All helps update repeating colors at once. Keep contrast in mind so text stands out against the background. If you want to make it more personal, upload your own photos. Drag and drop them into frames or position them alongside the text. Crop, straighten, and adjust brightness, so images look crisp. High-resolution photos work best for printing. To make RSVPs easy, add a QR code that links to your RSVP form or wedding website. Use Canva's QR code tool to generate it. Then place it in a corner or on the back if your design has multiple pages. Add a small label like Scan to RSVP so guests know what it's for. When everything looks right, finalize and export. For printing, choose Download and select PDF Print for the highest quality. If your design runs to the edge, enable crop marks and bleed to help your printer trim accurately. You can print at home, send the PDF to a local print shop, or order directly through Canva Print. If you are sharing digitally, export as JPG or PNG for email, messaging apps, or social media. That's it. Thanks for watching.